Hello, today I'm in Skoda Octavia. In this video I'll show you steering wheel's buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can activate voice assistant, adjust radio volume, and also mute the radio, change radio station via these arrows. And next we've got this panel right here. Thanks to it, we can enter vehicle menu on the speedometer display, answer and end calls, and thanks to this panel right here, we can navigate through speedometer display. Of course, if you press right here, you use horn. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.